What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about one of the most lucrative investments to do in 2021, and there's a couple of reasons behind it, so I'll be explaining that. But basically it has to do with the car market. Now before you click off this video and say, oh, I don't have enough money, guys, you can literally do this with $2,000. It's not that difficult. So I'm going to be explaining a little bit of, first off, why. So one of the main things is right now that there is little supply due to a lot of factories still being shut down, especially in Europe. So for groups like BMW, Mercedes, all of those cars are basically flooding, like you cannot get those, right? So they will not be restocked, is what they're saying, between until January of 2022 to March of 2022. That is when a huge shipment should be coming back, but who knows, things might get delayed even further. So, what does that mean for you, right? Because if prices of cars are so much higher, then why would I go out and buy one right now if it's going to crash in January anyways? Well, the reason right now is why it's a very good deal is because basically car salespeople are selling the cars like this. It's very easy. However, every single person is financing it. So now, if you come in as a cash buyer, and again, the car does not matter. For example, I'm looking at a 2010 as well as a 2010 Range Rover and a 2009 Jeep. Can't even remember what it is. Right now, that Jeep is selling for $6,900. I'm going to go in purely cash, right? First of all, thank you to my Montana company. I do not have to pay car sales tax, so that saves me about $400. Then I'm going to go in, offer like $5,500 cash. Obviously, doubt that's going to be accepted, but if I can get around the low $6,000 range, I will take it because that car right now is currently valued at around 8.5 if I were to do a private party sale. So I have a decently good profit margin. Now, same with the Range Rover, that's a little bit more profitable, but they want $795 for it. I'll come in, same thing, offer $6,500, try to work out a deal at $7,000. And right now that car is valued at between around, on the very, very low end, $7,500 all the way up to $10,400. So that means if I get the middle price of $8.5, and I already know someone that's interested in getting it, and he said he'd be willing to do $9,000, which basically means right off the bat, if I get it for $7,000, I can sell it for a $2,000 profit within the span of 3 weeks because he will not be in town until August 1st. So that gives me around a little bit over 3 weeks, but I'm completely fine holding on to that because guess what? In 3 weeks, I'll send the paperwork over before that, have everything signed over, which means as soon as August 1st hits, I get my $9,000. So within a span of under a month, it's an extra $2,000 in your pocket, right? So that is why the business is very lucrative right now. However, another thing that you can do, and this is what I am doing. So I recently bought my IA. I bought that back in April 1st. Then from that point on, I drove it for 3 months and I sold it for the exact same amount that I bought it for, which means I drove the car for free. The entire thing was financed and I didn't have any interest payments at all for the first 3 months due to like my financer and everything like that and my credit score. So I basically drove a car for free for 3 months. Now, I also recently got rid of my M8. Now that car ended up selling for $120,000. Now, I got that car as a really good deal, so I ended up making almost $20,000 profit on that car. Now, the next thing I'm looking at, because again, I've been looking at McLarens, Astons, Californias, 488s, all of it. It is way too overpriced right now. But again, I'm like, okay, I want something else to drive that's very fun from now until January time, right? And don't get me wrong, I have 2 right now beautiful cars, the Q8 and then as well as the Audi A5. But however, what I want to do is still again have a, like a fast car, right? That's just who I am as a person. But again, used car prices right now, for example, a used 2019 G-Wagon is selling for $139,000 with around 23,000 miles on it. A brand new 2022 G-Wagon is selling for 141 MSRP. So again, very, very overvalued on the used car market. Now, the main reason why you're like, okay, then why doesn't everyone just buy a new one? It's because they have to wait. They have to wait around 6 months before it can get to them. And a lot of people don't want to wait. So what am I doing? One of my contacts, he just got in a brand new, full carbon core special edition BMW M8 competition. Now, I can lease that car at a very nice rate, and then when I decide to sell it in around December time, I can actually just pay off the lease full and sell it for actually more than what I paid for. Because if I do a lease, I get special incentives. Since I'm a returning BMW customer, I get special incentives, and all of this and all of that all over here. So, as well as with negotiations and contact and all that good business I've built with him, basically, I'm looking at paying, I would say, around $30,000 to $35,000 under sticker price. So again, that helps me a lot, because that means I have around a $30,000 budget that I can play with from now until December, which means July, August, September, October, November. So I got around 5 to 6 months, and then I will most likely, I'll be looking at around a $15,000 to $20,000 profit again. And then guess what? I will gladly wait for about a month or so before picking up a true, real, I don't know what yet. I have no idea. At that point, my mind might change. But yeah, so that is why the used car market is a very lucrative business, and you don't need $100,000, you don't need $50,000. You can literally start with $2,000. Go on Facebook Marketplace, go on CarGurus. You can search all kinds of cars. One of the best-selling ones happen to be Jeeps right now. So again, you know what? Take that into account, look at it, and then make sure you have the cash on hand, and then be ready to flip it, right? Take better pictures. What I did on Facebook Marketplace, I remember I bought a 2004 GMC. So bad pictures. There were 2 pictures on there that looked terrible. I literally cleaned it up, took pictures that same day, and then I ended up selling it about 2 weeks later for almost a $2,000 profit. And that car was, I believe, $2,400 is what I ended up paying for it. And they wanted like 31, 32, and I paid 24. So again, it's doable. With a little amount of money, you can get into the flipping. And right now, it's one of the most lucrative things out there, in my opinion. That's at least going to last throughout this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, sub, and get all the free stuff in the link below. And see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.